Welcome. Are you tired of searching for the best detailing brush set? I've done the research so you don't have to. Here are my top picks for this year. Product number 1. Pro Grade Paint Brushes. Our journey begins with a highly praised unit that sets a massive benchmark for the rest. I am talking about the Pro Grade Paint Brushes. The build quality here is simply exceptional. It utilizes premium materials to ensure long-lasting durability even under heavy use. What makes this special is its dynamic responsiveness. It intelligently adapts to various situations to keep you operating at your best. You will instantly appreciate the highly responsive and user-friendly control scheme that puts you completely in charge. It boasts an incredibly solid track record regarding long-term reliability, actively minimizing the risk of sudden breakdowns. I highly encourage you to tap that first link in the description to see how surprisingly pocket-friendly it actually is. Backed by over 71,456 verified reviews, it proudly holds an impressive rating of 4.6 out of 5, proving its tremendous mass appeal. Grabbing this option is a foolproof strategy for an instant upgrade, so do not let it slip past you. Product number 2. Chemical Guys. Moving on to our list, I have another incredible option that you should seriously consider. I am talking about the Chemical Guys. What captivated my attention was the exceptionally high-grade materials. It effortlessly radiates durability for your fast-paced lifestyle. Evaluating its day-to-day usability, it acts as a massive productivity booster thanks to its highly intuitive internal mechanics. Its layout is wonderfully straightforward, successfully eliminating any confusing learning curves entirely. Furthermore, regular maintenance is almost non-existent, saving you massive amounts of time and unnecessary energy. The fantastic news is that this option fits beautifully into a reasonable budget. Check the link in the description for active discounts. Backed by over 2,587 verified reviews, it proudly holds an impressive rating of 4.7 out of 5, proving its tremendous mass appeal. It phenomenally bridges the gap between premium quality and sensible everyday practicality. Product number 3. Proper Detailing CO. Car Detailing Brush Set for Interior. Next up, I want to introduce a phenomenal choice that really caught my attention. I am talking about the Proper Detailing CO. Car Detailing Brush Set for Interior. The sleek aesthetic is perfectly matched by its heavy-duty architectural design, ensuring zero compromises. Diving into functionality, you will be blown away by how consistently it delivers top-notch results without skipping a beat. It seamlessly integrates into any modern setup without requiring complex configurations or deeply technical knowledge. The completely frictionless upkeep process actively removes the traditional ownership headaches associated with similar devices. Get the absolute maximum value for your hard-earned money by monitoring the live price via the link in the description. Backed by over 2,238 verified reviews, it proudly holds an impressive rating of 4.7 out of 5, proving its tremendous mass appeal. Making the choice to add this to your collection is a decision you will definitely thank yourself for. Product number 4. Golden Maple Miniature Paint Brushes Dry Brush 18 PCS Micro. For our next highlight, prepare to be amazed by this exceptionally well-built unit. I am talking about the Golden Maple Miniature Paint Brushes Dry Brush 18 PCS Micro. Designed with meticulous precision, it feels incredibly solid and enduring right from the very first touch. When it comes to performance, it solves common frustrations effortlessly, providing an incredibly smooth and versatile experience. The manufacturer clearly prioritized maximum user comfort and accessibility, placing controls in the most natural locations. You can confidently trust this device to perform beautifully day in and day out without requiring constant monitoring. To find out if there is an active discount or special coupon available right now, make sure to check the direct link down below. Backed by over 962 verified reviews, it proudly holds an impressive rating of 4.6 out of 5, proving its tremendous mass appeal. Few options can confidently offer this specific level of comprehensive excellence without draining your savings. Product number 5. Chemical Dyes All in the Details Exterior. Next up, I want to introduce a phenomenal choice that really caught my attention. I am talking about the Chemical Dyes All in the Details Exterior. The structural integrity is second to none, showcasing a robust frame that feels virtually indestructible in everyday scenarios. Diving into functionality, you will be blown away by how consistently it delivers top-notch results without skipping a beat. It is packed with smart, quality-of-life enhancements that you rarely see, heavily elevating the overall user experience. It rarely requires any tedious troubleshooting, running flawlessly straight out of the gate and staying that way. It has been thoughtfully priced to fit your financial comfort zone. I have dropped the official link below so you can monitor live offers. Backed by over 783 verified reviews, it proudly holds an impressive rating of 4.7 out of 5, proving its tremendous mass appeal. I highly suggest keeping this on your radar for a completely hassle-free upgrade. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. All the links for the products mentioned are in the description below. See you next time.